back to Wheel and Thrill. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Ducati, looking at one of the most iconic and powerful bikes in MotoGP, the Ducati Desmosedici GP. This machine isn't just another racer, it's a testament to Ducati's relentless pursuit of speed, innovation, and performance. The Desmosedici GP is all about power, and at the heart of it is Ducati's signature desmodromic V4 engine. This unique valve system is a key factor that allows the engine to rev faster and higher than most other MotoGP bikes. We're talking about speeds that can easily soar above 220 miles per hour, with acceleration that feels almost explosive. Ducati's desmodromic system replaces traditional springs with camshafts, allowing the engine to deliver incredible power while maintaining control, even at redline. For riders, this means a pure shot of adrenaline from start to finish. One of the standout features of the Desmosedici GP is its innovative aerodynamics. Those aggressive winglets up front aren't just for show, they're crafted to generate downforce, giving the bike more stability as it tears down the straights. These winglets help reduce wheelies during acceleration and improve braking stability, making it possible to keep this powerhouse firmly planted on the track. Ducati's aerodynamic design doesn't just look mean up, it's designed to keep the bike fast and steady, lap after lap. And Ducati didn't stop there. The electronics on the Desmosedici GP are state-of-the-art, featuring traction control, wheelie control, and advanced data systems that track everything down to the tiniest detail. This tech is all about giving the rider ultimate control. The bike responds with lightning-fast adjustments, so the rider can focus purely on the race. It's this level of precision and detail that Ducati has poured into the Desmosedici GP, making it a true marvel of engineering. In terms of handling, Ducati uses a distinctive aluminum frame and carefully crafted suspension system to keep the bike agile and balanced. MotoGP bikes face incredible stress on the track, and the Desmosedici GP's frame is built to absorb it all, allowing riders to hit every corner with total confidence. Combine this with the Brembo brakes, and you've got the bike that can not only unleash immense power but also handle the most intense braking situations without losing an ounce of control. The Desmosedici GP isn't just Ducati's MotoGP machine, it's a statement. It's a bike built for riders who want to push their limits and feel every bit of the track beneath them. With its groundbreaking engine, aerodynamic innovation, and razor-sharp handling, the Desmosedici GP has become a fearsome competitor in the MotoGP lineup, carving out its place as one of the most revered bikes on the circuit. So, whether you're a Ducati fan or just love the thrill of MotoGP, stay tuned to Wheel and Thrill for more deep dives into the world of racing. Don't forget to subscribe, and let us know in the comments what bikes you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep the thrill alive.